What languages did you hear in the home?
Primarily English. They told secrets in Yiddish. There was we most of the families, because it was South, had what we always called the maid. She was, like a housekeeper. African American, would come to the house 5 days a week or whatever and help with the cleaning and the cooking. But she also basically raised the children, and she was definitely the boss in my life. She and I both probably had the same knowledge of Yiddish. And there was a whole culture of people who either worked in people's houses or worked in their businesses or whatever, who were reasonably well versed in Yiddish because it was survival. And we never let anybody know how much we knew, because if you did, you'd blow your cover and then it would be a problem. So she did, and she, could cook Yiddish food and whatever, and it gave my mother a lot of freedom because she could go out. My mother was always very involved in the community. Her real name was Gwendolyn, but her family called her Billy, and she was with us in various capacities for 47 years.